Dear students, I am Devender, Maths sir. Now you can see here class 9th Maths exercise 2.5. Now you can see here, already you know that algebraic identities. You can see here an algebraic identity is an algebraic equation that is true for all values of the variables occurring in it. You know that x plus y whole square, you know that means in the previous class we have learned a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square or not. In the place of a and b, I taken here x and y only. X plus y whole square is equal x square plus 2xy plus y square. Next, if it is x minus y whole square, x square minus 2xy plus y square. If it is a plus b into a minus b, you know a plus b into a minus b, that will be equal to a square minus b square or not? Yes, so that I am writing here x plus y into x minus y. You can take here x square minus y square. Next, one more formula you can see here, x plus a into x plus b. X plus a into x plus b, you can take here x square plus of a plus b into x plus a into b. Next, one more formula you can see here, x plus y plus z whole square is equal x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Next, one more formula, a plus b whole cube. You know that a plus b whole square, a plus b whole cube, that means here x plus y whole cube, that is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. If it is x minus y whole cube, x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y, we can written as one in other form, x cube minus 3x square y. See here 3x into x, you will get x square or not? Yes, x square y minus into minus plus here 3xy into y, 3xy square or not? Yes, minus y cube I written here, which is convenient. You can write that formula. See here one more here, x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 into x into y into z, that means 3xyz. This will be very useful in exercise problems. One more formula you can see here, x cube plus y cube. X cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. One more here, see, x cube minus y cube is equal x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Using these formulas, we can solve the exercise 2.5 questions. Now you can see here exercise 2.5 question number 3. Factorize the following using appropriate identities. First question you can see here, 16x square plus 24xy plus 9y square. We need to factorize this one. Just you can observe here, 16x square, what is the square root of 16? 4 or not? That means can I see 16x square, can I write here 4x whole square? Can I write or not? Yes, 4x whole square. Once you can observe here, 9y square. 9y square can be written as 3y whole square or not? Yes, 3y whole square. Yes or no? 3 square is 9 only. Y square is y square only. Here 4 square is 16. Y square is, x square is x square. That means 16x square plus 9y square. Once you can observe here 24xy. See, you know that 2 into 4 into 3. That means you can write here 2 into a. A is how much? 4x. Next here b is how much? 3y. Yes sir, no. Just you can observe. Once you can see 2 4 is how much? 8 8 3 is how much? 24. Are you getting 24xy or not? Yes. Therefore, can you write here 4x plus 3y whole square? 4x plus 3y whole square. How can you write? Just you know that one formula is there. X plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. This is the basic formula. This is the basic identity. X plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Using this identity, I written here 4x plus 3y whole square. That means you can see here 4x plus 3y whole square means, see here 4x plus 3y into 4x plus 3y. This is your answer. See here, second one, 4y square minus 4y plus 1. How can we factorize? Just you can see here, 4y square can be written as 2y whole square or not? Yes, 2y whole square minus, see here, 4y. How can you write 4y? You can see here. First of all, you can write b square. How can you write 1 can be written as 1 square or not? Yes. Now you can see here minus, you need to write 2ab. Yes or no? How can you write here? 2 into 2y into 1. Yes or no? See here, 2y whole square is 4y square minus 2 is 4. 4 into 1, 1. That means here, sorry, 4. 4y plus 1 square. That means you can observe here, this is in the form of which one formula? See here, x minus y whole square is equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. Yes or no? This is the basic formula. X minus y whole square is equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. Once you can observe here, x square minus 2xy plus y square. See, can I write now formula as 2y minus 1 whole square or not? Yes, this is your answer, 2y minus 1 whole square. In the similar way, you can see one more problem. 4x square minus y square by 25. See, 4x square means, can I write here 2x whole square? Yes or no? 2 square is 4, x square is x square only. That means 2x whole square minus y square by 25. You can write here y by 5 whole square. Yes or no? Y whole square is y square only. 5 whole square is 25 only. Once you can observe here, this is in the form of a square minus b square or not. That means you can know that, you know that's here. X square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. Yes or no? X plus y into x minus y. Using this formula, can I write here, see, 2x plus y by 5. This is x plus y. One more here, 2x minus y by 5. This is x minus 5. Just you can use the formulas. You can use the identities which are very useful in exercise. Now see, 18a square minus 50. First of all, you can see, is there any common factor? 18 here 50. That means, can I take as common as 2? Yes or no? That means if I am taking 2 as common, can I write here 2 9 ja 18a square? Yes or no? 2 into 9, 18a square minus 50 can be written as 25 or not? 2 25 ja how much? 50 or not? 2 25 ja 50. Is it balanced or not? 2 9 ja 18a square. 2 25 ja 50. Therefore, you can see here 2 into 9a whole square. See, can I write here 3a whole square or not? Yes, 3a whole square. Here 5 whole square, can I write? 25 can be written as 5 whole square. That means you can write here minus. Yes or no? Just I am writing here 3a whole square minus 5 square. Once you can observe here, this is in the form of which formula? Which formula you know that? See, x square minus y square or not? X square minus y square. X square minus y square you can written as x plus y into x minus y. Yes or no? Yes. So that you can write here 2 into 3a plus 5 into 3a minus 5. This is your answer. Next one more, see here. X square plus yx plus 6 is equal to, how can we can write here x square plus, first of all you can write here 6 can be written as 3 to the 6 or not? 3 into 2. In the middle you can see here 5x can be written as 3 plus 2 into x or not? Yes or no? 3 plus 2 into x. 3 plus 2 is how much? 5. 3 is how much? 6 only. That means you can written here, see, x square plus 3 plus 2 into x plus 3 into 2 can be written as x plus 3 into x plus 2. Why? Because you know that this is the basic formula. In the previous one I told you here, see, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b of x plus ab. This is the one identity, you know that. See, this is in the form of x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. So that I taken here x plus a into x plus b. Now you can see here, expand each of the following using suitable identities. See here, x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. Once you can observe this one. Is it in the form of a plus b plus c whole square or not? Yes or no? That means here x plus y plus z whole square. First of all, are you know what is the formula of x plus y plus z whole square formula? Are you know which is the formula? Which is x plus y plus z whole square. What is the formula you can see here? Is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. This is the formula. Just you can observe here, x plus y plus z whole square means x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Using this formula you can write here. First of all, x square, that means you can write here x square plus y square means it is 2y whole square. Yes or no? You can write here 2y whole square plus z square means 4z whole square. 4z whole square plus 2xy. X is x only, y means 2y. That means you can write here 2 into x into 2y plus 2yz. That means here yz means 2y into 4z. You can write here 2y into 4z plus 2yz over next 2zx. 2zx means it is 2 into 4z into x. You can write here 2 into 4z into x. Now you can simplify it. X square is how much? X square only. Plus 2y whole square is how much? 2 square is 4. Y square is y only. That y square only. That means 4y square plus 4z whole square. 4 square is how much? 16. Z square is z square only. Plus once you can observe here, 2 is how much? 4 xy. You can write here 4xy. 4xy plus here 2 is how much? 4 4 is how much? 16yz. 16yz plus 2 4 is how much? 8. 8 into zx, that means 8zx. 8zx. This is your solution. Just you can use here x plus y plus z whole square. We can solve the problem very easily. See one more problem. 2a minus 3b whole cube. 2a minus 3b whole cube. Once you can observe which is in the form of x minus 5 whole cube or not. Yes. How can you write x minus 5 whole cube formula? X minus 5 whole cube. X cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube. Yes or no? You know this formula. X cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube. Using formula. See, instead of x you can write here 2a. Instead of y you can write here 3b. That means I am writing here first you need to write x cube. That means 2a whole cube. You can write here 2a whole cube. Next minus 3 into x square how much? That means here 2a whole square. 2a whole square into y. That means y means it is 3b. Plus 3xy square. That means here 3. X means 2a. Y means 3b. 3b whole square. Yes or no? Yes. Minus y cube is how much? Y cube means is 3b whole cube. 3b whole cube. Now you can simplify. Just I am writing here, see. 2 cube is how much? 8a cube minus 3 into, you can write here 3 into 2 square is how much? 4a. 4a into 3b plus here 3 2 is how much? 6a. Can I write here 6a? Yes. 6a into 3 square is how much? 9b square. 9b square. Once you can observe here, 2 square is how much? 4 here. A square is how much? A square. You need to write here a square. 3b plus 6a 9b square minus. See here 3 cube is how much? 27. 27b cube. 27b cube. Now you once again you can write here 8a cube minus 3 4 is how much? 12. 12 3 is how much? 36b. 36a square b plus 6 9 is how much? 54. 54ab square minus 27b cube. 27b cube is your answer. Just you can use the formula x minus y. Since you can write here x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube. Using this formula, we can solve this problem. Now you can see here minus 2a plus 5b minus 3c whole square. Once you can observe which is in the form of x plus y plus z whole square or not. Yes, if it is in the form of x plus y plus z whole square, you know that how can you expand it? X square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Just you can take here x is equal minus 2a, y is equal 5b, z is equal minus 3c. That means can I write here c minus 2a, see here minus 2a whole square plus 5b whole square, 5b whole square plus minus 3c whole square, minus 3c whole square plus 2xy. 2xy means you can write here 2 into xy minus 2a into 5b, minus 2a into 5b plus 2yz. That means here 2yz. You can write here 2 into 5b into minus 3c. You can write here 5b into minus 3c. You can write here minus 3c. Next one more here. You can see 2zx. Zx means here minus 3c into minus 2a. Minus 3c into minus 2a. Now you can simplify here. See. Very easy. Minus 2 whole square is how much? 4 only. 4a square. Here 5b whole square means 25b square. Yes or no? 25b square. Here minus 3 whole square is how much? Plus 9c square. You can see here minus into plus minus only. 2 2 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20. 20 into ab means 20 ab or not? Yes. Here plus into minus, minus 2 5 ja how much? 2 5 ja is 10. 10 3 ja how much? You can see here 5b into minus 3c. That means 2 5 ja 10. 10 3 ja 30 or not? Yes. 30bc. Here minus into minus plus, plus into plus, plus only. Here 2 3 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. 12ca. This is your answer. See here 4a square plus 25b square plus 9c square minus 20ab minus 30bc plus 12ca is your answer. In the similar way, one more problem. Once you can see here a by 4 minus b by 2 plus 1 whole square. How can we find? Just you can see here. Once you can observe it, this is in the form of x plus y plus z whole square or not? Yes, that means you know that x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. First of all, you need to write x square. X square means it is a by 4 whole square. Yes or no? A by 4 whole square plus y square means minus b by 2. You can see here minus b by 2 whole square plus z square means 1 whole square. 1 whole square plus 2xy. 2xy means a by 4 into minus b by 2. You can take here a by 4 into minus b by 2 plus 2yz. That means minus b by 2 into 1. 2 into minus b by 2 into 1 plus 2zx. That means 2 into 1 into a by 4. 2 into 1 into a by 4. Yes or no? Now you can simplify. A square is how much? A square is a square only. 4 square is 16. Here minus square, that means here base plus b square. 2 square means 4 only. Here plus 1. See here. Here 2 into a by 4 into minus b by 2. 2 to cancel. That means here plus into minus. Minus a into b. ab by 4. See here also 2 to cancel. Minus b into plus minus b only. Here 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. That means a by 2 plus a by 2. This is your answer. Now you can see one more problem, x minus 2 by 3 y whole square. Once you can observe which is in the form of x minus y whole square or not. That means you can write here x square minus 2xy plus y square. That means x square you can write here x square minus 2xy. That means 2 into x into y means it is how much 2 by 3y. You can write here 2 by 3 into y plus y square. You can write here 2 by 3 y into y whole square. You can see here x square means x square only minus 2 ja how much 4 by 3 xy plus 2 square is how much 4 here 3 square is how much 9 4 by 9 y square. This is your answer. Now you can see here another problem, factorize 25x square plus 16y square plus 4z square minus 40xy plus 16yz minus 20xz. Once you can observe here which is in the form of, you know that a plus b plus c whole square. That means you can see here x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. First of all, you can write here x square plus y square plus z square. What is the square root of 25? You know that 5x or not? Yes, first you can write here 5x whole square. But you know that minus 5 whole square also 25 plus 5 also 25. But so that first of all I am writing here 5x only. Next you can see here 16y square. That may be 4y whole square. Yes or no? 4y whole square we can write minus 4y also. That means can I write here minus 4 or plus 4? We can see at the time of 2xy, 2yz, 2zx. First of all you can write plus only. Next you can see here plus 4z whole square. That means here you can write here 2z whole square. Here also you know that minus 2 whole square is 4 plus 2 whole square is 4. But you can see here minus 2xy. It is you can see here minus 2xy here plus yz. Yes or no? Here minus 2xz. That means once you can observe here in the both the terms you can see here x term is available, here also x term is available, so that you can take x, that means here negative sign for only x only, so that I am writing here minus 5x. You can write here minus 5x. That means you can write here plus 2xy. Yes or no? We can should be written in the form of 2xy or not. That means here 2 into minus 5x. 2 into minus 5x into y means it is 4y. Yes or no? Yes. Now you can see plus into minus minus 2 5 j 10 10 4 j 40xy. Are you getting or not? Yes. So now you can see here plus 2 into yz. How can you write here 4y into 2z? 4y into 2z. Here 2 4 how much? 8. 8 2 how much? 16yz. Are you getting or not? Yes. Here plus 2yz. That means 2zx. How can I write here 2? Zx means 2z. 2 into 2z. X means minus 5x. Yes or no? Minus 5x. Once you can say plus into minus. Minus only 2 2 ja 4. 4 5 ja 20. Are you getting 20xz or not? So that you can write here a plus b plus c whole square. That means here x plus y plus z whole square. You can write here x means minus 5x plus 4y plus 2z whole square. This is your answer. Using which formula? X plus y plus z whole square. In the similar way, you can do one more problem. Thank you for watching this video. You can watch the complete exercise videos in our class 9th maths playlist in RD Home channel.